Our address is www.dolphinsgroup.org. When you open the page, जो ये first line आपको दिख रही है, it's admissions open from nursery to class 11th. Our high school अभी just upgrade हुआ है to 10+2. So admissions are open in class 11th. And also we have a new program which is known as the Foundation Pathway Program for top universities in New Zealand. So you can inquire and apply for the same by clicking on this button. Let's take you on a tour of the homepage. So you have a welcome to the Dolphins family, information about the Dolphins e-school, the online classes, Dolphins High School, Dolphins International School, all 17 branches, Study in New Zealand FPP program, Happy Parenting, Happy Families, Deepika ma'am's parenting sessions at one click, Dolphins Activity Club for juniors and seniors, copybooks and innovative and revolutionary concepts, then Life at Dolphins and Beyond Academics. You can scroll through your photographs here. A glimpse of our last annual function that we had. Information about our branches. And in case if you want to contact us, there's a contact us form. These buttons will take you to our direct, this is the YouTube page button for Dolphins, which will take you to the Dolphins Group of Schools YouTube channel directly. This is the website, WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Telegram, Twitter, mail, and contact number. Well, now let's give you an introduction to the tabs that we have here. The first tab, about the school, academics, beyond academics, testimonials, and careers. Admission, information about the fees and the admission form, plus information about the New Zealand project that we have. In info, you can find our news, events, and circulars. Like in circulars, the latest circular that we have, so you have two options, 2020-21, 2021-22. So this is the latest session. Now we can see that we have the latest circular, which is the examination timetable, which has already been uploaded on the website. Then we move on to branches. Mandatory disclosure, information about the school, blogs. So I hope you all love reading. We have a lot of interesting blogs written by our own teachers, our staff, and students, which is uploaded here regularly. Then we have the gallery, which gives you access to photographs depending on the branches. So we have high school, Rajapark, Kavarnagar, Chaksu. And in case if you want, you can see Dolphins Group of Schools, all photographs also available here. All our activities which are done online and offline are uploaded in this particular section. Then students, this is something very interesting for you. It's the student intranet. So जब आप इस पेज पर आते हैं, we will click on this particular button, which will take us to the student intranet. So in case if you are a new student applying for admission, you will have to click on this tab. For existing students, your timetable is available here. How to join Google Classroom and Meet. And for new admissions again, a 15-day free demo class. Everything on your student intranet. Then we have the staff intranet for your teachers. And then we have pay fees and contact us. So in case parents are looking forward to paying fees online, this is the best option. Just go to the website, click on the branch that you want to pay the fees for, and it will redirect you to the online payment for that particular branch. Well, parents, that is all we have for you. We would love your feedback on the new website. Thank you.